Ladies and gents, it's your boy Lando Says. Hope all is well. Hope you guys enjoying your day. So the goal is to start doing this right around the time the bell finishes, about 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes it's going to be earlier. Sometimes it might be later. But we're going to go live, do a overview on the market, what's popping, what's going on. But we have to do some housekeeping. Make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button. It help out the YouTube algorithm, help out the channel a lot, and all that good stuff. And we have to give a shout out to Moomoo. I've been teamed up with Moomoo for a long time. If you want to trade stocks, you want to trade with the best. And Moomoo completely is the best. And they are always doing promotions, especially with the people who sign up under my links. So right now, the regular promotion they're doing, you can receive up to 15 free stocks. You can get an extra Tesla or Expedia share. You know, Tesla share is not cheap right now. All you have to do is open an account, click on the link, open an account. You can do a $100 deposit. That give you 5 free stocks and $50 cash reward. You can do whatever you want with it. $1,000 deposit, give you 15 free stocks and a $50 cash reward. Or a $5,000 deposit, give you 15 free stocks, $50 cash reward, and a free share of Tesla or Expedia. Hope all is well. So the game plan is you guys can ask your questions, whatever you want me to talk about, such as stocks or crypto. And I'm about to go through my agenda of this so I can have my clips for reposting purposes. So you got any questions, just let me know and I'm going to come back to them. First thing I want to talk about, this happened a few days ago, but I've been wanting to talk about it, and that is the Ford F-150, that EV, the price drop. Now, let me know in the comments if you guys seen it. So I seen it once in my life. I was in Dearborn out here in Michigan, and I seen it. It looks amazing. It was in a parking garage, and it was right next to one of the electric charging stations. Wasn't being charged. I look inside. It looked like a Tesla, but with a truck. It was weird. It's definitely one of the most unique trucks I seen. I'm like, man, and since I'm a Ford baby, I'm like, yeah, there was actually be some good to buy. But we got some bad news. Electric vehicle prices fall as automakers raise production. Ford, Tesla, and other automakers are having to lower prices to lure buyers as supply of battery-powered models begin to exceed demand. After struggling to find enough batteries and other parts for the past couple of years, automakers are finally beginning to turn out large numbers of electric cars and trucks. More than 30 new models have arrived in a showroom this year. That's crazy. That's a lot. While sales of electric vehicles are increasing, they climbed about 48% in the second quarter, a year from earlier. They are not rising fast enough to keep up with the pace with the number of vehicles rolling off the assembly lines. And the inventory of unsold vehicles are starting to pile up. More than 90,000 battery-powered cars and trucks are sitting on dealer lots, 4 times more than a year ago. Let's talk about that. More than 90,000 cars is sitting there. First thing first, people don't have money to be buying cars at this price. They just don't. The second thing is the world haven't became 100% accustomed and adaptable towards EVs yet. And Michigan is getting better and better, but it's going slowly. California, you got EVs everywhere. Certain parts of the country, and then usually richer places that have charging stations, the hood don't got no charging stations. So you're limited on where you can, who going to buy them and where you can sell them at. So I seen this from the beginning when they was going to come out with the Mustang and they had to keep on cutting prices because they wasn't prepared. They don't understand the pricing of how much all this stuff going to cost. And I'm just a regular person, and I can tell you the pricing is just, it's not a smart idea. It's not a smart idea at all. In view of the unbalanced supply and demand, automakers are cutting prices, offering more incentives. On Monday, Ford Motor reduced its F-150 Lightning electric pickup truck by $6,000 to nearly $10,000, or as much as 17%. Oh, no. Boy, oh boy. And they're offering discounted interest rates of 1.9% to 3.9% on certain loans. So they are basically trying to give these away for free at this point because nobody want to buy them. And like, if I want to buy an EV truck, my mindset is I want to have a EV charging station in my home. I want to have one in my home, and I'm not buying any EV unless it gives me a full charge of over 500 miles. I'm not driving something where I got 200 miles to E. Like, soon as I start driving, I'm looking at the battery the whole time in the back of your head. You're not being comfortable driving because you have to find a charging station. So when it's over 500 miles, that's okay. Now I can roll with that. And they talk about it somewhere, and this article talk about the price cut. So the price on some of these is over $90,000. It's basically like $100,000 truck. Right now you can get some for $50,000, probably 60 on up. But it's a crazy, crazy price. And let me see where they talked about the mileage, because I didn't even think about that part where it's like, okay, you buy one of these EVs and you forget that you can't just drive. Here we go. Other car buyers have concerns about how far these cars and trucks can travel on a full charge. Many models available now need to be recharged after traveling 200 to 250 miles. Uncertainty about finding charging stations and how long it takes to charge the vehicles can put off some people. I am some people. Let me know what y'all thoughts in the comments about that. So we have another popping news that's popping out today after the bell. It's Tesla earnings. One of the biggest one of the biggest companies in the world. Everybody is talking about Tesla, and Tesla is here. Tesla report earnings after the bell. On Wednesday, Tesla planned to report second quarter results after the bell. According to analysts, estimates compiled of $24.47 billion of earnings of 82 cents a share. Let's read what they got going on. Are you still a Tesla holder? Stock's been going up. Good time. Earlier this month, Tesla reported over 466,000 vehicles delivered for the second quarter and said it produced 479,000 electric trucks. They get it. Ford and them just don't get it yet. Deliveries are the closest to promised sales in Tesla report because Tesla is smart. What they do is, okay, do you want a Tesla? Yes. Okay, go to our website and pre-order it and give us some money. All right, what the Tesla cost? $60,000. What you need? $6,000 right now. Here goes $6,000. Okay, Orlando, I can now make this car or start the process of making this car. It's gonna take you 6 months to get it. What Ford dumbasses did was like, let me just make 90. Let's make 100,000 of these and see who won them. I think when they first did the deposit, it was like the pre-order. You had to do like $150 deposit. Like, yeah, people will spend that and change their mind. So that's interesting. Besides Cybertruck details, retail investors posting on Say Technology want update on Tesla production of 4,680 battery cells, which are seen as critical to ramping up production of the company Class 8 semi-truck. So they've been talking about this Cybertruck, but we only seen it on social media. They say only made like one. They've been talking about this since 2019. We want to know the update on that. When it's fully coming out, it's like everything used to be backed up with Tesla. I think their earnings still should be decent. Probably nothing actually too bad, but it's going to be interesting to see how things end up popping off. If we look at their shares right now, since things been going, Tesla is at 291. It started off good, but it is going down. So we started off the day. We was almost over $300 at 11 a.m. And now we are close down to 290. So that's a sign that it might crash down, because now the market is so weird. If you get amazing news, if you guys get amazing news, it don't mean nothing. It can be amazing news, and next thing you know, everything still completely crashes down, or you have bad expectations, bad results, and for some reason still go up. So you can't really prejudge the market no more. Let me know if you guys have been buying Tesla stock or not. And I seen this article that was interesting to me. The article said the only reason to buy Tesla stock has nothing to do with its EV business, market strategist says. What's your thoughts about that? And I'm like, first I thought, okay, I'm a Tesla investor. I buy it basically off of its innovation, of how far they are advanced more than every other company. Everybody is trying to get into the space. They have to model what Tesla been doing, and Tesla is already so far ahead of everybody. So it's a Tesla stock has soared 142% year to date, and its valuation has cruised past $900 billion as investors cheer the company continued growth and its electric vehicle deliveries. But according to Wednesday Note, Data Track Research co-founder Nicholas Colas, there's only one reason to buy Tesla stock at its current levels, and it have nothing to do with the EV business. The car industry is difficult to compete in, as evidenced by the current stock prices of legacy automakers he observed. He look, Ford, Mercedes, their price today is the same it was in the 90s. Think of that. If you bought Ford stock, let's look at it. If you bought Ford stock a year ago, you got it at $12. We have $14. If you bought it 2 years ago, it was at $13. We have $14. If you bought it at five years ago, $9, we have $14. 10 years ago, you lost money. That's crazy. That's crazy. So the only difference is Tesla, you can't compare them. You can't compare Tesla to regular automaker companies, because Tesla is not an automaker company. Tesla a year ago, you made money if you bought it a year ago. 2 years ago, you made money. 5 years ago, you got rich. 10 years ago, you are wealthy as hell. So you can't really compare the two. I get what they're trying to say, because they're like, look, the automaker industry is, it's not right. So to buy Tesla at its current valuation of $918 billion and expect further upside, as investor has to believe the company self-driving technology is close to reaching a truly autonomous threshold that can do the robot taxi. Like, Tesla is so advanced. Yes, we don't know what technology can do. And I say it's a great evaluation and it can keep on going. Let me know if you are a Tesla holder, if you've been buying, all that good stuff. I will answer comments. I will talk about whatever you want to talk about. If you want to talk about stocks, you want to talk about crypto, let me know which ones in the comments. Let me finish my agenda before we can get it popping. Let's talk about some cryptocurrency right now. The crypto that's been popping. First, you look at the whole market. The market is in the green today. We got Bitcoin floating back and forth between 30,029. You got Ethereum floating around 1900. But you have XRP is popping off. In the last day, XRP, well, not last week, the last day, it's up 8%. So you bought in yesterday, we was at 76. We're at 82 cents a share right now. If you bought in a week ago, you're up over 75%. Damn near your money has doubled buying just literally a week ago, and nothing is going to stop. Things is going to keep on growing. What's crazy is you can buy XRP on a Coinbase. I let the Success Team Patreon members know yesterday. It's my first time buying some XRP on a Coinbase. It is so weird. It's so weird to be able to buy it over there and not have to go to the dark web to do all the crazy type stuff. Just off of that ability alone, the price is just going to keep on going up sooner or later. That's just what it is, you know? You got how to buy XRP, where you can buy it. You can buy it directly on there, and it's dope. I really like it. I believe the company is going to keep on growing, especially after the SEC stuff been popping off. Let me know what's your price projection with XRP. And in my opinion, the sky is the limit now. So the high, you got to think back in 2018, the high was $3. I think we can shoot way past $3. The sky's the limit right now. Let me know what's your thoughts in the comments. So people been wondering, right now, since we have a small rally that just happened, what crypto I'm looking at now. If you guys want to follow my trades and be up to date, have access to me, you can become part of the Success Team with the Patreon. That would be link in the bio. So what I'm liking right now, first, I love Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained is a company I've been making money with for like the last year because you always have buy and sell opportunities. Look at this. In the last year, it's been going down and I'm still green with Gods because you see right here, you can buy on the low, you can sell on the high. You can buy on the low, you can sell on the high. You got low dips, buy low, you can get ready to sell high. And you're going to keep on getting those opportunities because even with this, the gaming industry is tough when you come down to crypto because you have games that will pop off for a month, games that will pop off for a while, but you have to have a very like a cult-like system, a cult-like game. And I like their game. I played it before. It's a cult-like game. And you will always have spikes where you can basically go in and take advantage of it. So I like Gods. You can't go wrong with Cardano. Cardano's been quiet for a long time, but now we finally getting a pop off. I always had Cardano for a long time, but you can finally get in profit mode because you look the last year, it haven't been as sexy as always, but the upside of Cardano, and it can spike and go crazy at any given moment. So it's good to buy in just a little bit. You don't have to buy in $1 zillion. Just take your time, slowly but surely buy in. Now, if you all been listening to me with Polygon-matic, y'all, you've been killing it. You've been killing it. For the last forever, I've been saying this is my number one favorite cryptocurrency to buy, and you have had so many opportunities to buy in this last year. 75 cents. What I always say, anything under $1 is a win. And we was able to get it close to 50 cents not too long ago. And then the price is damn near about struck right back up close to $1. So anything under $1 right now is still golden. This is a cryptocurrency that's faster than everybody else. that the most big name companies have implemented using more than anybody else. Love it. Ethereum, can't go wrong with ETH under $2,000 right now, because you want to be able to get as much Ethereum as you can now before the price just completely go up. Because once this gets to 3,000, that 3,000 mark is like, man, it's kind of getting far away from us. So if you can't get on Bitcoin, start stacking up on ETH. That's what I've been doing. And we got Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is a buy and sell play for me right now. Red days, you buy it. You have crazy spikes, you sell it. Red days, you buy it. Crazy spikes, you sell it. Right now, it is a green day. But look at this last week, down 13%. You just keep on buying in slowly but surely, because they're going to give you an opportunity. You're always going to get opportunities with Bitcoin Cash. It just might take you a long time to get it. So look at this. If you bought in 2018, you had to wait till 2021 to go nuts. 3 years. You got to have patience with it. But this is something that can help you get rich. That is a good one. Now, the last article that I seen today that's good for Bitcoin as a whole, watch your guru. SEC adds BlackRock, Fidelity, and 6 other spot Bitcoin ETF applicants to the Federal Register. What is they talking about? More people is trying to get in. Once one person do something, everybody else follow. Have you ever been in a car and you're following everybody? Like, you will see a few lanes and you'll see that one lane that got 1 million cars, and the left lane have no cars, but everybody is in the right lane with all the cars. That's because everybody assuming that the left lane is blocked or something is wrong with it, because everybody's right here. Once that first person go to the left and drive past, then the next person gonna try it. The next person, everybody's gonna follow, and it's like, damn, this whole time we just was following everybody else. That is how crypto and just the world works. So now you have the first company tried it, next company, everybody's getting in, because all of these billionaires, all they just want to do is make more money, get more control. With 8 different applicants named on an official federal registry, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Spot BTC, ETF approved clock is set to start on a Wednesday. Moreover, the regulatory has already sought public consultation via so asset management giants BlackRock, Fidelity has led the influx in Spock. I don't know why I'm keep on saying. We just gonna call it Spot. The ETF over the last month. However, the SEC have never approved the creation of the service. Many has predicted that this could change with the inclusion of traditional financial entities. So the deal is, what they're doing is, these rich people, I've been watching their moves. What they've been doing is a lot of insider trading, allegedly. And what they've been doing is, they know when they're going to approve something. They know they was going to approve XRP. So if you could have doubled your money in one day, you don't think they bought millions of dollars of XRP right before, hey, we're going to approve it this day? More than likely, everything is going to explode, sell it. It's going to be like, that's what they're going to do. So that's why it's a good time to be in cryptocurrency right now, because as soon as they approve it, everything is going to skyrocket. Everything going to go up. Bitcoin might go to 40, 50,000. And from there, that's all she wrote. Let's look at the comments. We got my dog, Chris, one of the Hall of Famers, one of my good old success team members in there. Sign up for the Patreon. Baby, what's going on? We got Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP. You like them? I definitely loving that. Ripple, you saying we keep on hearing this bullish. $5, we going crazy. Hit $5 and I actually can see it. Ada, Matic, Harbor, I haven't ate no H-bar in a while. Algo, love them. Haven't bought no Algo in a while. Can't go wrong with Matic. So this is the plan. Every day I will give you guys update what's going on with stock market, what's going on with crypto. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I read every single comment. I will keep you guys up to date. Make sure you are a member with Moomoo. Member with Moomoo. Go ahead and get your 15 free stocks. Use your boy code at the bottom. You see we got the Moomoo over there. We got the Midas Touch Moomoo in the back. Shout out to them that's been rocking with the channel for a long time. They've been solid. So I'm going to stay solid with them. I'm Lando Cess. Talk to y'all soon, baby.